Morning, little buddy.
What's
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is officially day 3, the FXR-Tour, and we are here in Amarillo, Texas. Wrapped it up at Trips Harley-Davidson. Get the sun on y'all's face. Big shout out to the dealership. They really put it on for us. Food, drink, a guy playing music. The town showed up. I know they had like a radio station broadcasting. We weren't expecting to be that big. Sucks that we kind of showed up a little late to the party. Just thank you, that was awesome. So left there, went to that little bar Shooters, you saw that. Good time. We only hung out there for maybe about an hour or so. And then from there, got here to the hotel, and as you see, the boys are starting to load up. We're gonna start heading our way to Dallas. We're gonna be doing a lot of filming along the way. We're gonna head over to Strokers. We should be there, I think, around like 6:30. It's a pre-party not just for the FXR Tour, but I'm pretty sure it's a pre-party for the entire Born Free event. So should be a lot of choppers and just other guys that are ready to kick off this Born Free weekend. We're excited. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. We'll see you on the road. Peace. Whoa! All right, kind of made it to the first gas stop along the way, and how was that ride?
Windy as fuck. I enjoyed it.
Are you serious?
It's like miserable fun, like yesterday. Like, it's so miserable, but when you're done with it, you're like, that was like a rainy day.
Yeah. I was telling Ashley that, I was like, if it wasn't for the cold and the wind, like, what memories would you have of it? Yeah.
It was great today.
Yeah.
It's just what it is.
Yeah, it was quite windy. If anyone's ever been to North Texas, it's just flat. You can watch your dog run away for a week, like. You never heard that? You never heard that?
No, but that's a good one.
When I was stationed in Wichita Falls, that was like the running joke in Wichita Falls, how flat it is. You just watch your dog run away. Anyways, we're about to get Sax actually into Rennie's tow vehicle slash FXR Tour vehicle slash FXR Tour build slash. So we're gonna get them in there. They're gonna do some good shots, and I'm just gonna cruise along with my banana. We'll see you on the next stop. All right, gas stop, guess it's number 2. Technically number 3 since you got the start of the day. Thanks, Paul, for the pizza. So we're actually doing like kind of like a splash and go. You saw a little clip it of Sax risking his life for some super clean footage.
doing cool shit?
I was able to catch just a tad of it. Man, the documentary, whatever you want to call it, it's gonna be badass. The guys are just kind of getting some water, pizza, fuel, and I think we are 220 miles left till we get to Strokers. Let's make it happen. We'll see y'all there.
Wow.
All right, I'm gonna get out of the sun a little bit and out of the noise. It's, we made it to Dallas. So there's a couple little hiccups on the road. Obviously the wind, you saw that. Jace, unfortunately, had, I think, electrical problems. So, man, there's sun everywhere. Where am I at? Let's do it this way. So, you can hear me. great. If not, I'm sorry. But we're here at Dallas. We're at Strokers. This is where the kind of the pre-party for the entire Born Free event's going on. So hopefully at some point this evening, we'll start seeing some choppers and some other badass bikes. So we got obviously our gang here all lined up. We got the tent set up. We're drinking some cold beers. We're gonna have a good time. We'll just see where this night goes.
Man, I masturbate to you all the time.
Jace, your orders are ready. Jeffrey, Scott, Donnie, Brian.
This is the bike I'm most excited to see.
What's up, man?
Hey,
Hey.
I'm glad you finally made it. Did you get the fuel line taken care of?
Yeah.
Okay.
Once I changed that out, I was able to run 80, 90 miles.
Hell yeah. So where are you from originally?
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire, okay. I couldn't recognize what the tag said. It was like all crumbled up and...
Yeah, the NH.
Oh, there it is. Hell yeah.
Where are you from again?
We're from Arkansas, so not too crazy. Nah, man, I'm glad you made it. I'm glad you're safe.
There we go, that's better. Fuck by Strokers. Custom Simpson motorcycle helmets, Lindall brakes, Cowboy Harley Davidson.
Yes, but
Hold on. We got a big group coming in.
we all made it to Durango and then rode the 1,000 miles here, basically.
Yeah.
We had some issues along the way, which is expected, right?
Motorcycles.
Motorcycles. But it's fun, bringing everybody together. The camaraderie was great. Super stoked that everybody did it and participated right along the way. It was very fun. Nick from Knives Made by Dick made our knives for each builder. Is
So
that all
thank
got?
you.
Oh, Jace, big chopper guy now.
No, look, we.
Big chopper guy.
Some people don't like my new identity, and it's all right. You know, we had these rules and we had these ideas coming into it, but once you get on the road and you see how minuscule some of these problems become, and how you know, we dealt with wind today that was pretty fucking gnarly.
We dealt with wind today.
Can I finish? I felt like it was safe for me to put my bike in the trailer for everybody else's well-being instead of being on the side of the road. So, yes, I beat y'all all here, so I won. So, no, thank you guys for real. Like Justin and I started bringing this whole idea to the, I guess, the universe, if you will, and you guys all agreed to do it off the rip. Paul forced his way in, so that's why we had to have Ashley come in. I'm like, I guess I can't say no to that dude, right? Everybody built some badass bikes. I'm blown away, and to be able to just do this with you guys, be in that chat, you know, mainly bag on TBJ all year. It's been a privilege seeing Clem here, a Detroit guy.
Did you see Brian's mustache?
Mustache, yes. Thank you. Hey, for real, thank you. I know Justin feels the same way. Thank you so much. So he is part of the Saddleman Race Development Team. If you follow BMX, he's also pretty cool in that shit, I believe.
And when it comes to all the rules that we made up at the beginning, he did follow all the rules and completed the ride and did great. And the bike's amazing.
He's an actual winner here, actually. Main Drive Cycles, who can also be confused with the actual guy who built my bike.
He should get 2 knives.
Well, it's staying in my house though. Corey's an amazing builder out of Dallas-Fort Worth. He is a awesome guy.
He's also my new road dog because he knows how to ride.
Y'all need to slow the fuck down, straight up. Like,
Well, keep up.
Let you guys kiss.
FXR division, these guys built one of the most amazing machines. They brought a lot of different wild shit to the table, and they surprisingly made it the whole way. I'm not gonna say surprisingly. I'm just saying you had the wildest shit going on. You know what I mean? My bet was on Rennie. I thought Rennie wasn't gonna make it,
But did he?
but did he?
So we got Clem is up next with the craziest soft flat drag bike.
A land speed FXR Kenny Boy's frame. This dude brought Detroit speed down here into the FXR-Tour, and yeah, that bike's sitting right over there. It sounds mean as shit.
TPJ.
So TBJ has been building this bike for 8 years.
Big
9
bike build-off
years.
guy. Big bike build-off guy.
9 years. And he finally finished it so that he could put it in the settlement tray.
Day 4, the last kind of travel day of the tour. We left Strokers last night, got a little bit of footage from there. Obviously my camera died while filming the kind of the knives going giving away, so it sucks that you couldn't hear the kind of the story of all the other builders. Strokers, hell of a time. I mean, it was packed. Everybody that showed up and showed out. And we got here last night, kind of just hung out in the parking lot for a little bit. For today's plans, heading over to Jace from the Fast Life Garage, heading over to his shop. 2 of the bikes need some work, so we're gonna kind of wrench on them a little bit, and then around, I think, noon, we're supposed to be hitting the road for the actual tour. Hey! I know it's noisy, I'm sorry. I guess I could have done this inside. Or if I'd used the microphones my wife bought me, that would probably help out too. Either way, I'm excited, I can't wait. We'll be in Yellow Rose this evening, or actually this afternoon. I think it's like 2.5 hours from Dallas. So we'll see you guys there. Peace. So you already kind of ran it and tested it?
Yeah,
and it did.
Right up, it was good. We got throttle at that.
The full,
yeah. I didn't have throttle until ran it.
I don't have one. Yeah, if I can find a way.
Are you happy to finally wash it?
Yes, I have it. It's so nasty.
Such a nice day, man.
I hope so. I hope so.
Being laid out and being introduced to the world of custom bikes was like absolutely incredible. Opened up my mind, really planted ideas in me for creativity, and I knew that it was something I wanted to pursue.
The biggest inspiration behind this build was, and I'm bad about just taking one part and then playing off that. So literally I was riding last year, and all I could think about was the risers, and the risers going through the triple trees, and that was the only part I could think about. And so I played the whole bike off of that. And then once I completed that part, then I moved forward from there. But that was my main inspiration.
We're gonna leave here. You're not in the 10 building, you're gonna be behind. And just chill back there until we get through with this process. And then after that, we'll be just getting out to going free. We're gonna jump on the highway, we're gonna go through downtown Waxahachie. Saxon's gonna be filming. We're gonna stop at some point. Saxon's gonna go ahead and then get a static shot as we come through town.
So it's officially Born Free Texas weekend. It's Thursday and we are heading to Yellow Rose Canyon. Sax just got done filming a bunch of interviews. I kind of got a couple little clips of those. Anyways, getting off here, getting to Yellow Rose, and then I'll pull the camera out when we get there. Peace. All right, so I made out to Yellow Rose, gave you a quick little look of our spot. I don't know if you want to call it like the performance area or whatever, but everyone's getting set up. It is Thursday, the evening time, so I'm gonna be putting this camera away and charge it, and then I'll pull it back out tomorrow and actually walk through the bikes, the event. They got the big stage set up. Right now, I want some beer. I want to hang out with everybody. Hope you guys are out here. If you come out, say hi. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy the following videos, and then especially the documentary, because Saxon's actually killing it. So until then, we'll pick it up where we left off. See y'all tomorrow.